Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Whether you need to remove a duplicate entry or clear out an invoice that's no longer needed, this process will help you keep your records clean and accurate. First, you'll want to log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left navigation menu where you'll find various options for managing your business finances. From this menu, click on Sales. This section is your central hub for managing all customer transactions, including invoices, payments, and estimates. Under the Sales section, you'll see several tabs displayed across the top of the page. Click on the Invoices tab to open up your complete list of invoices. This view shows you all the invoices you've created, making it easy to track and manage your billing records. Now you'll need to locate the specific invoice you want to delete. You can scroll through your list if you know roughly when it was created, or use the search bar at the top to quickly find it by customer name, invoice number, or amount. This search functionality is particularly helpful if you have a large number of invoices in your system. Once you've found the invoice, click on it to open its full details. This brings up the complete invoice page where you can review all the information before taking any action. It's always a good idea to double-check that you've selected the correct invoice to avoid accidentally deleting the wrong one. At the bottom of the invoice page, look for the More button and click on it. This button reveals additional options that aren't immediately visible on the main invoice screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Delete. This is the option that will remove the invoice from your system entirely. QuickBooks will then prompt you with a confirmation message to make sure you really want to delete this invoice. This is an important safeguard since deletion is permanent. Click Yes to confirm that you want to proceed with the deletion. The invoice will now be permanently removed from your QuickBooks records. Keep in mind that once deleted, you won't be able to recover it, so make absolutely certain you've selected the right invoice before confirming. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.